Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to automate tasks in Zoho. Automation in Zoho isn't just about saving time, it's about removing repetitive thinking from your workflow. If you set it up properly, tasks get created, updated, or triggered automatically without you constantly checking things. If you set it up poorly, you either miss actions or create chaos with wrong triggers. When you begin, log into your Zoho Projects account. This is where your tasks, timelines, and workflows live. Once inside, navigate to the Tasks section. This area contains all your task lists and is the core of your project execution. Inside Tasks, click on Automation. This is where Zoho allows you to define rules that automatically perform actions based on certain conditions. Think of automation like, if this happens, then do that. At this point, you'll see two main options. 1. Use existing automations. 2. Create a new workflow rule. If your workspace already has pre-built automations, you can simply activate them. This is useful if you're working in a team or using templates. But in most cases, you'll want to create your own, so you click on New Workflow Rule. Now you're entering the core of automation setup. First, you'll define when the rule will be executed. This is called the trigger. Examples include when a task is created, when a task is updated, when a task is commented on. This is the moment that starts your automation. Next, you define the criteria. This is where you get specific about which tasks the rule applies to. For example, only tasks assigned to a certain person, only tasks with a specific status, only tasks in a certain project. You can add multiple criteria and you can layer them as much as you want. The more precise your criteria, the smarter your automation. After defining the trigger and criteria, you'll usually set the action. Even if not explicitly mentioned, it's implied in workflows. This is what Zoho will do automatically. Before saving, you'll need to rename your automation rule. This sounds small, but it's critical. If you don't name it clearly, you'll forget what it does, you'll confuse it with other rules, you'll struggle to manage multiple automations. Use clear names depending on what you want to portray. Once everything is set, click Save Rule. Zoho will then show a confirmation message. After that, click Save again to finalize the process. At this point, your automation is live. To summarize, automating tasks in Zoho projects involves logging into your account, navigating to the Task section, and accessing the automation feature. From there, you can either activate existing automations or create a new workflow rule. When creating a new rule, you define when the automation should be triggered, specify the criteria that determine which tasks it applies to, and set the actions that will be executed automatically. A crucial part of the process is naming the automation clearly so it can be easily identified and managed later. Once everything is configured, you save the rule and confirm it, making the automation active. While the setup process is relatively straightforward, the effectiveness of automation depends on how well you define triggers and criteria. Properly configured automation reduces manual effort, improves consistency, and allows you to manage tasks more efficiently without constant oversight. And that's how to automate tasks in Zoho. This is where you stop working harder and start working smarter. Most people either ignore automation or overcomplicate it. The sweet spot is simple, intentional rules that remove repetitive work without creating confusion. Don't try to automate everything at once. Pick one repetitive task, automate it, and build from there. That's how you actually make this useful instead of overwhelming. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.